Morning everybody, it's Hugh from Berthon here. It's the best day of the year so far. It's a beautiful day in March. As you can see, we are here at the wonderful Premier Dry Stack, Trafalgar Wharf, top of Portsmouth Harbour. And today we're going to look at one of the most phenomenally popular boats, probably known to man ever. If you look around here, here's one. Here's one. There's one. There's a little one next door. And there's another one down there. This is, of course, the mighty Axopar 37. This is a boat called SISU. She's a 2021 version. She's running on a pair of Mercury 300 Verados at the back end. She's in beautiful nick. We've sold her once before. We know her current owner really well. He's just moving on to pastures new, changing his style of boating a bit. So I thought it'd be useful just to have a quick tour around her. So here we go. So you got this really super fine bow, nice ultramarine anchor, stainless steel, built in Turkey there. Nice little lock at the top, self-launching arm here, keeps it away from this slightly reversed bow. Got 3 major spray chines at the front end, then a big step here. Bow thruster tucked away just underneath in there with an anode. You've got this really super purposeful and really hyper practical rubber fender right the way around. Black powder coated steel on this BRABUS edition 37. Beautiful hull, all white. She's got red covers, grey cushions on board. She's in beautiful nick. She's the cross cabin version, so you've got the 2 gull wing doors there giving access into the forward cabin. Then we've got the aft cabin down here, access through the aft end of the saloon. Grab rails right the way around, all the way around the top here. Radar arch up there with camera, and she's also got radar, so she's not only a day boat, she can do long weekending. Underwater lights underneath here, just there by these trim arms. Mercury stainless steel, highly polished props, and a pair of 300 Merc Verados. Got easy access ladder here for access on board after bathing. Access side doors, both sides on her, and this really nice green tinted glass. It takes a little bit of glare off. So dead easy to get on board. Got a grab hold here, and then we're straight up, and you've got a powder coated frame here that just protects the engines. And you've also got just a tow hoop on the top. Just on there. So at the aft end, got sun pad on top of the aft cabin, wraparound screen seating and wraparound glazing here. This is the bolster from that aft bench, gives you access into the aft cabin. Fender storage and odds and sods in here with pull out shower, ensign staff at the aft end. Got fire extinguisher just down here, and a fire extinguisher also on the other side. It's a really super neat Mercury fit out here. So all of the steering dealt with in here. See fuel hoses etc going into, it's a really super clean installation. You've got plenty of space to walk around the aft end here. Life raft, ocean safety, more fender stowage, BRABUS wherever you look on this little baby. Another fire extinguisher down here, and then we've got these lights here with internal blinds giving light into that aft cabin. And just underneath here, got access through these 2 hatches as well. So there you go, that's your radar arch, 2 whip aerials, and then we've got a big full-length sunroof, so we'll have a look at that in a tick. Here we go. I am a cross cabin. So we've got fuel, again either side, Waste outlet here. As you can see, there's no teak or anything on these decks, so they're super easy to keep clean, super easy maintenance. This is what's really superb about these boats. It's this cross cabin. So you've got a gull wing door either side. You can lock from the inside or from the outside. They're brilliant. Gives you really easy access into that cabin. And then cleverly, this light here gives light into the aft end of that cabin and also into the head compartment, which is just in between here and the main cabin. So the screen on these rakes forward, so it keeps all the glare off. You've got a really nice overhang here, so when it houses the wipers, there's a really nice channel here just to keep it dry and clean. As you can see, because she lives inside here, she's super clean throughout. So moving up to the foredeck, you've got your anchor roller, T-cleats, nav lights, powder coated frames. This is full of fenders at the moment, but just to show you what's in here, you have your shore power inlet, you've got a trip switch for the windlass, which is a Maxwell unit there. Then there's shore power inlet and light down in here, leading to the charger. Chain is just in the forward locker, then your water goes in here. So perfect condition. As I said, these have the red covers on them. The table is just down below at the moment. And that's these gull wings. Just go and have a look at them now. And then this big long sunroof on the top. Perfect. So, heading down into the cabin. Really neat little step down here. One more step and you're down. So we got one door to port, one door starboard. Stereo speakers up here, USB ports, port and starboard, and heater outlets also. Bit of storage underneath here, then these two seats here for getting dressed. And this is really super neat. So behind this door we have the shower just in there. Close that up like so. Then behind this door you've got little heads tucked away there, switching, and a little shower, sink. This is an electric loo. Motor's just down there. I'll tuck that away, all dealt with. So that's your forward cabin. Lights throughout, just flick those off, and you've got the stereo control for the forwards area there. So main helm area, two forward facing seats here, battery isolators are kept underneath here. Heater outlets pretty much wherever you look, and the heater control is just here. Little Webasto unit. Main throttles, ignition, you've got waterproof charging port here, Simrad radio, autopilot, bow thruster, joystick trim tabs, really super smart. Then you've got twin glass screen display. We just close this down. Gives you a full view forward. It's a really brilliantly conceived boat. So stowage underneath here, you got all your panel lights, deck lights, underwater lights, bilges, etc. on here. And then looking aft, got this roof up here with the powder coated roof rails, really useful for carrying something like a tender, as per the little 28 to port. And we've got a fold out table here, all in really nice nick. Domestic fridge underneath here. She's fitted with a an inverter, which is just that unit there, a little Sterling inverter. Then you've got this really nice seating area here, so you can all be seated round watching what's happening as you're heading forward. You've got lighting, it's really neat. Just nicely concealed so it's not too bright. Again, plenty of handholds, all of that stuff. And then the aft cabin, it's really simple. This bolstered seat just comes and clips up onto this clip here. And then you've got your cabin in there. Plenty of light as well, and air if you want to open up the top hatches. Yeah, it's absolutely brilliant piece of design. So just to recap, this is SISU. She's a 2021 Axopar BRABUS 37 cross cabin. She's on the market with Berthon now. Many thanks for watching.